So here is a question asks you about pattern, and then the number of dots are actually form a kind of sequence. But at this moment, you are not sure is that AS or GS or some sequence that you don't know any formula. So if the number here is not that large, I would strongly suggest you to add one by one until your target. Um, the trick here, the strategy is to find out the pattern is what is the extra part. So to do so, you have to identify the original part. This one is a little bit more difficult is because you have to find out the original part like this. So if we talk about extra part, is 1, 2, 3, 4 here. From the first one to the second one, we add 4 dots. And then now we are going to check, can we also apply this into this pattern? So now we try to use the similar method to separate to half. And then to find out that part. So we identify the original part and also the extra part. So now again, I confirm every time we just add 4 to it, then we get the next pattern. So once again, the key point is find out what is extra, and then this one is a little bit tricky. 2 are on the at the corner and also 2 in the middle. So every time we are going to plus 4. First T1, T2, T3. And then T4, T5, T6, T7, T8. Every time you just add 4 on it, the first one you have 6, so add 4 we have 10, add 4 we have 14, add 4 we have 18, add 4 we have 22, add 4 we have 26, add 4 we have 30, and then 8 we have 34. Finally, our target, we have 38 in total, so the answer is C. Of course, some students realize that this is AS, and then you may just simply get T9 is equal to the first one, and then plus 8 times of their differences, which is 4. Then you can also get 38 very quickly. But practically, in your exam, you have limited time, and then this kind of calculation, maybe you're not really sure, and then it spends time for you to think about it. So I still think that this kind of method listing out and then keep adding them is more feasible in your real exam. But anyway, it's your own choice. Either this one or this one is okay. But for more complicated pattern, for example, if they are not adding the same value each time, then you better use this method rather than using the formula.